thought it'd be fun to try to make a dialogue version of Avenda Code. I've solved this one a million times, but I figured I could try to do Avenda Code 2023 of them a million times in a bunch of different languages. Hopefully, I can get it going in dialogue. I know very little of what I'm doing. So, as you know, the problem is just to take the first and last digit and to turn it into a two-digit number. So, for example, 1 and 2 turn into 12, 3 and 8 turn into 38, 1 and 5 turn into 15, I think, and then 7 just turns into 77. Okay, there you go. So it says right there. Perfect. I'm going to try doing it. Uh, I'm not going to mess around with the inputs here, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to try doing the sample. And I don't even know what I wanted to do, and I can't clear screen, unfortunately, I don't think. And I dislike that ride is like a network thing, so you can't just mash enter and it'll have to delay for every round trip. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna make one string at a time here, okay? And strings are not double quotes in dialogue. It's one character. Great. And I'm gonna say line one. Okay, I'm gonna literally. Actually, I can do this right. Cut paste here. I don't know. I think that worked. Okay, so this is line one. Okay, let's figure out how to get the first character. This language bar is nice here if I know what the character is, but not if I don't know what the function is. I've actually had some luck with Claude actually with helping me figure out which one's which here. Uh, okay, pick. There you go. That'll do it probably. So if I want to, so in theory, what's the slash x? Okay, so if I do, oh yeah, this is an annoying thing about dialogue here. Where I'd like to be able to just like if I want to edit my okay, it's on. I'll complain after. Here we go. 0 index origin. Like can I change it? No. This is one thing. Index origin 1 means 0. Like an array goes from 0 to so whatever. The first index is 1 instead of 0. So I can change that maybe. I don't know. Am I Control L? No. Control Shift L? No. There you go. IO gets 1. Is that how you do it? Okay, 0. I'm looking at 0. Yeah, look at that. I set it up. All right, perfect. Okay, so now if I do this again, I have to go all the way up here. I can't just do like Control R and like type line to get my history. I don't think I have to actually like physically go there or hit Control Shift Backspace a bunch. Control Shift Backspace a bunch or Enter to go forward. Yeah, it's weird. I got that pop up for no reason every time. So definitely not salty. So I want to get the last one. Can I go negative? Can I go negative 9? Can I go negative 1? Negative? How do you negative? Negate? Negative number? Backslash 2. Oh, yeah, hitting enter doesn't work. And also, I can't autocomplete from here. I have to erase it all and then go negative. See, I typoed it or something, so now I lost like the context. I have to go here. Okay, negative. Go down. I hit not is it tab? Tab. There you go. 1. Index error. Okay, does it tell me how to get last? No, but okay, I know there's like a length function, which is not this, right? This is not length? No. What is length? There's shape actually. R, I think. Okay, I'm gonna trust that works for now. So I'm gonna go hit Control Shift Backspace a billion times, and then go here, and then go line 1 is this -1 probably for index origin, index error. That's fine. It's like a smiley swap selfie. It's called Swelfie. Control Shift T. 1. Easy. All right. And now, okay, so I have, can I do a list here actually? Hold on. I call this typing. Here, does that work? No. How do I get two different things? Do I do this? No. How do I want to get a selection of select. See how there's what two things here? Isn't that what this is doing? Like isn't or is it a comma? Hold on. Like if I do 1 comma 2, that's a list, but isn't 1 comma 2 also a list? Negative. Okay, so maybe that's just in J. Again, heading keys over and over again. Does this work? Rank error. I don't know what rank error means. Because can I think I have Control E for just execute selection. No, I don't. If I just Editing text can be tedious sometimes. Oh, 4 and 0, right? Yes, that's an array. So if I do 4 0 get, what's select, which is backslash shift L, length error. No, pick or something. Select. No, I want pick, I guess. X. Rank error. But isn't that what this is doing? Pick. You're picking two things. This is picking two things. Oh, is that because there's two elements? Pick. I would love it if there's like some sort of syntax highlighting here, so I can tell that's a header at a glance. That way, when I'm scanning this for what it is, because this is at the same, it's fine. Yeah, two. Okay, so the second one here picks this guy, so that's the rank error, I guess. So this from the second one, it picks the first one. Okay, great. So that means I can't pick two things at the same time. I don't think. In closing, okay, I'm already lost here. Now I don't know what to do. I'm just scanning over, looking at text. Let's. How would I do two things? Is there like an each or something? Uh, each? No, each. Okay, each is actually that. Great. How does each work? Let's map. But I wanna have two things. I wanna have. Oh, okay. Hold on. That might work. If I do, let's do four, actually 0 and 4, and I go X for each, and I do line 1. Length error. What is a length error? Can I click F1 or something on this? Can I tell? Okay, I know F1 in JQT does something. Does F1 here? It does. Okay, right, right. But I know that I can do help, or is it help? Okay, there you go. Okay. Uh. Oh, okay. That's because I recall here. This is not enclosed or something. No, but basically the length error is because there's only two things I was doing each of these. So if I then I have to type so much to get anywhere here. How about enclose? Sorry. Hey, that's it actually. Okay, cool. So what this is doing, this is enclosing this to turn it into like, instead of oh nice hover, that's cool. Instead of having eaching over each of these elements and each of these strings here, it's turned into one element. And I guess it's pervasive or something. I don't know the word, but it means I should really explain what I'm doing. So you can't actually tell which is the problem, but here, let's see, line 1 and an enclosed line 1. There's a space here, which I guess is enough to tell a professional that there's a difference. But here, if I do the length of it, I don't know. Okay, is there like a shape or something? Shape? That is shape. Length. Okay, length of line 1, and then a length of enclosed line 1. There you go. So, I guess because it's enclosed, it's like a unit array, and the unit arrays don't have length or something. So if I need how to hold on, help left shoe means enclose. Okay, you want to tell me what enclose means? Maybe that'd be cool. And again, I'm not complaining too much. It's a free thing. It's amazing, but uh, I'm just complaining. All right, here we go. Maybe an array, a scalar array. Oh, what's a scalar array? Okay, okay, we're whatever. The point is, we turn it into a. I'm gonna call it a unit array, but maybe it's a scalar array or something. Okay, enclose. When I left shoe means enclose. Enclose means okay. Oh wait. Okay, so this is what it does. So when you enclose y, it gives it r. So r is the result, and r is the depth whose magnitude is 1 greater than the magnitude of the depth of y. Okay, so you enclose 1, you've still got 1 apparently. You close A, you still got A. You close 1, 2, 3, you still got 1, 2, 3. But this has a space in front of it. This one doesn't. I don't know if that's significant. Enclosed cat joined with enclosed 1. There's 2 spaces here. If I don't enclose 1, what happens? Yeah, but then this is the space here isn't the enclosure itself, right? Length of this? Is that length? No. What's okay, gotta go here, gotta click this. Length 2. But then this is enclosed, right? Of course it's enclosed. So why would you give me the example of this? What's the advantage here? I don't know. Okay, well, anyway, so where is it? This is doing when I each over this thing, right, without the enclose, it's over each of the characters. But if I enclose it first, it's using the same thing many times as this. And I don't know if this will have the docs actually. Okay, here's the attic. Will it? Oh, there you go. If f or y, there you go. If x or y is a scalar, a single element array, it'll be extended to conform. So it'll just, I think it just means it'll repeat, which is what I did. One of those things you have to know with APL languages. Okay, anyway, so now, confusingly, this isn't actually a number, even though it looks like a number. Because if I do this, click this, right? I can enter here, right? And I go this, I go 1 plus. This won't work. Domain error. Huh. Well, it's actually because this is a string. And I know there's like a decode thing, actually. Yeah, some professional. There's like a decode. It's like it looks like a fire hydrant. This one? Oh, it's literally called hydrant. Execute. But I don't know if that's the right one, right? That's not. I don't think you're meant to like randomly execute things. Is there like a parse? Can I do this? Can I do like 12 parse? No. Decode. Oh, is that okay? How does that work actually? Can I do help? Decode? No. Okay. Right. Do this. Oh. I would love to be able to complete what I was typing there. Tack up means decode. To decode. Okay. So binary decode. So not that. If I go here, and I go this, and I say decimal. Hey, okay. Hold on. This is awesome. Dunzo. Alright, there you go. I remember Adam at one point gave someone heck for using the hydrant there. Look at that. Memory works. That was actually nice. That actually worked well. So okay. What we want to do again, it's in my history somewhere, but because I can't hit Control R, I gotta just type it out and manually go here. I want to do the length of line 1. No, that's not length. I want to do T or something. Okay, length. It's backslash quote. Length of line 1. 1 minus, and then smile, which is this, should be 4. Good. 4. Oh yeah, and I didn't Control E goes to the end, but Control A selects everything. It's probably in here somewhere, actually. Once I messed with these settings a little bit, it was nice, but my goodness. And the words would not end. The words were not what I expected. Right limit, so left limit. Okay, good. Home. W maybe? Can I do Control W? Will it let me? Control W? Or will it say, hey, there's a duplicate error? It's fine. Okay. All right. So this. So here, Control. Actual one. This joined with the pick. No, the pick first or something. X. Oh no. No. Shit. Oh well. Okay, that's why. Sorry. 1 second. Select is that. Pick. Each enclosed line 1. Okay, that gives us the number, right? Because I went reverse here. This is just getting the first and last. And then I'm gonna decode in base 10. Domain error. Okay. 12. Did I not do the right thing here? Can I tell what key this is by mousing over it? Uptack, decode. 10, decode. 12. How did I get 13 earlier? Oh, no. No, did I? Damn it. Okay. I was congratulating myself too quickly. Maybe there's no way around it. Where's the double quote? I recall in J that you use double quote for the same thing. I don't see double quotes anywhere here. Let me look around. That's as close as you get. Can I do help? Double quote? Okay, help. Decode. Decode? Maybe you'll tell me how to decode. Chars? String? Char? Text? Okay. Must be a numeric array. Okay. Maybe if I do help and I do the execute. I like this help thing. It's nice. Okay, so now can I execute expressions safely? Does it tell me? There you go. Good. No. Okay, this is like variable getting, I guess. Okay. VFI. To make numbers in text form into actual numbers. Oh, okay. VFI. What does VFI do? Verify and fix input. I think fix means like set a variable or something because I saw a link fix in the doc somewhere. Uh oh. Okay. So what I think this is doing is it's saying take a list of numbers or string numbers and try to turn it into actual results. And this is a 0 because this is not a negative and this is not a real APL thing. Oh, might be out of time here. Hold the phone and pause it for a second. We'll find out if we're out of time, but for now, let's just keep going. We're verifying and fixing or something. Okay, so VFI 13 or 12 or whatever. Let's see what we're getting. So if we do quad, nope, quad, VFI 12, we should get, okay, good. So now this is the map. And if I want to get the second thing here, no, maybe it's this. There you go. Okay, and now I can do +1 on this. 1 plus. Beautiful. Okay, so now I have to find my old history here. Domain error. Okay, so now I change this to. I'm gonna. Okay, 1x or 1x. I can't tell which one's which. Quad VFI 12, and I can 1 plus that, right? Oops. Okay, good. So now, great. Now this gives me a beautiful parsing of the first and last character of line 1. But I don't want that. I want to figure out instead of just taking the first and last character, I want to figure out which one of these guys is a string character. Is there an opposite actually of VFI where you turn like quad A is something, right? Quad N? Does cap matter? N? Oops. Quad N? No. Quad A with lowercase, quad A with capital case? No difference. Okay, so maybe this is there the opposite of, is it encode? Format. Yeah, okay, so maybe this is okay. If I format, which is \tick, and I say 1, sorry, no, okay, gotta click a million times. Here you go, that's 1. So watch this. If I say, give me the range, I can do back. So the way I'm doing this, by the way, is double slashing, and I think it's backtick. It's in the options here in ride. It's preference keyboard. It's the prefix key. I think by default it's the backtick, but I changed it to backslash to match my existing preferences. So now I do range, which is actually the iota or something. It's got its own name, yeah, iota. And again, F1 on Dyalog 20 breaks, but if you went to, if I go to 19, it'll show you the docs, but this is the old docs. Apparently, this is a known issue, whatever. I'm sure they'll fix it eventually. Yes, so I'm going here and I want range of 10, right? And now I want to decode, format each of these, right? How can I tell if this is a number or not? That's a concern I've got, but I'm going to trust that it's a number now, because if I now do +1, it'll crap out. So we have, let's call this D's or something for digits. Okay, and now I want to find if D's are in line 1. And I should expect a 1 0 1. Is it this? Is this as easy as it goes? Length there. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, a member of. Is this where the I comes in? Index of. Okay, I happen to know that 19 is the length of. Oh, gross. So this is 19. Is that because spaces are involved here? Yes, it must be. Okay, hold on. Let's go here, and I go back to this, and I can do each on this. Each. And then the shape length 10. Okay, cool. Okay, excellent. Okay, so this is B. Now I say DI line 1. If I edit D, which I can do this. Son of a gun. Okay, here, I do this, and I do this. There you go. Oh, look at it, updated live. What? I like that it updated live. What in the world is D? Why is there a new line? Why is it not, like, what is this? Can I save it? Oh yeah, I Control S isn't mapped by default in here, so I had to bind it again through the edits. And it wasn't called save, I don't think it was called like fix or something. Yeah, see? It wasn't called save. Save was only for escape for some reason. Definitely running out of time here. So I'm gonna assume this is fine. Okay, so okay, hold on. Hold the phone. We're plowing on. So I thought these means new line or something. All right, right. You also can do double slash in the editor here. That's hopefully gonna be fixed or something. I don't know. But what's the semicolon? Line break or something? Line break. Break. Separator. Statement separator. Okay. Help. Okay. Let's see. Don't know. We're just gonna go on past that. We're gonna assume that D. Oops. No, see, it is different. Okay, I'm gonna give me a second here. This is no. We're gonna go back to where D was. Where D was assigned. Quick break there. Don't remember what I was doing as per usual. Looks like I was maybe editing things. It doesn't matter. It's all the same video for you guys. The problem, I think, was D. If I edit this again, yeah, is I don't want to do this, I guess. and it seems like it's fine if I do it. So if I hit D again, oh, it's doing them all together because they're not separated. Is that what the separated is for? Where's the? I can't. Separator? No, I can't. How do you? Diamond is backslash tilde. So this. There you go. Okay. So it is what I thought it was. It's just I have to friggin' do it everywhere. Okay. Actually, okay. Control back. This is what I'll try. So this is actually. Oh, okay. If you hit Control Shift Backspace in here, it goes back in time, I guess, which is nice. Which is cool. Wish it'd be cool if I was using Vim too, but that's even fine here. Good. So this is now a matrix. I don't know how to call it. What's shape again? Shape? No, length. How do you do that? Length. Wow. Okay, double tips, I guess. Yeah, 10. Okay, so where was I at this? So this is if D is equal to any items in line 1, but that doesn't work because of the different lengths, and I don't want to do each, right? Each would be, yeah, it's still the same problem, I think. And close. I don't think that's what I want. But let me just see instead. I don't know. I do want to just find if any of these are included in the other ones. I index. Oh, this is sorry. 0 and 4. Is that what this is? Line 1. I don't know. I I think this is saying again, take from the second one. So I assume it's 1 indexed or something, and then 3 is 0, 1, or 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. It'd be nice if these docs updated based on my index origin down here, actually. Maybe they already are. I don't know. Find? Is it find? Anana? Oh no, that's without the a. No, I don't know what this is because BANAS. I don't know what that is. What's this? Epsilon enlists? No membership. I don't know what. I don't know what these. I'll try that. I can't read this. This is a list of 4 things that are mixed types. I didn't think you got mixed types, but I guess you can. And this is R4 and A and this. And this is, but not this, because ABCD is not ABC. Okay, so that's epsilon or epsilon. Okay, so let's do DE line 1. Swap. Swap. Line 1 is 1 in here. Yes. Is A in here? Okay, bad example. How about Z? I don't remember what line 1 is anymore. No. Okay. Oh, well, is there? Yeah, because okay, this is, I'm realizing this has to be joined together, I guess, because these are all is merge. I think. Merge. D. Each D. Oops. Each D. It's only typing. No, there's got to be a way to like rejoin them all back together. Oh, fold reduce or whatever. D. Yeah, there you go. Now this guy, if this is E in line 1, each. No. How about the other one? Shift E maybe. No. How about Selfie? Swap. T. Okay. Oops. Oh, so much arrow typing. I just want to be able to type it in again. Like what I'm saying is if I go here, I'd like my cursor, if I go hit Control Shift Backspace, my cursor should still be on the same index where I was last time. or whatever, you know? Oh, goodness. Okay, so none of line are in D, despite this sure looking like if I do this, if I index this now, oops, if I what's quad? There you go. Oh, okay, there you go. One. There should be one. It's enclosed, I guess. I don't know how I could possibly tell that, but that's fine. Merge or something. Okay. Okay. So this, now this, if I enclose on D, no. Well, that's even worse, I think, but that's fine. Line 1. Backspace, Control E, Control Left. Okay. Okay, I think I'm seeing what this is, and maybe I got it way long ago, actually. This is all the ones, and then if I go out here, this is all the twos somewhere. D, all the... Because I iterate through all these things a million times. Okay, so I could hit up again. No. Fudge. Gosh, this is... I don't even know if I can upload this. This is so frustrating. I mean, I could see that being 2 or something. That's 1 and 2, but why are these not sorted? Given that, this, 1 and 2. So what does this work out to be? Okay, you know what? Instead of line 1, let's do A, B, C, 1, 2, C, B, C, B, A. There's gotta be a better way, man. I can't deal with all this circuit typing. So I can turn on line wrap somehow. Does that help me? It does not. That makes it worse. Control Shift Backspace, comma, each, I guess. I don't know. I just want to have a nice grid on each line. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know. That's probably taking the first one of every element. I must be able to merge them all together, though. Is there or tilde? Just or. Okay, I'll say or. So if and then I can do column wise or something. Column. There's a way. Oh, column. No, what? Column. It's like the backslash row wise or whatever. Slash. It's slash bar. What does slash bar do? Use as the function. Slash bar is not defined. Replicate first? No. Use as the operator? Means reduce. Mat. Okay. So this is 2 plus pairwise. What? Okay, yeah, this is what I'm looking for, I guess. Columnar or whatever. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 9 is 15. Good. This is what I'm talking about. So now if I do this thing, right? And then I do or, come on, double dash, or tab. No, I don't want tilde. Is it just V? Let me just find the key for it. Or, we're looking for or. Backslash 9, sure. 9, and then, what was it? Slash bar. Slash bar. Good. Okay, there you go. But, and if I go here, line 1, but what is the order of these things? If not like the order they appear in D or whatever. Okay, let's hide this. Let's get rid of this. Let's just live our truth again. Here. Oh, oh, there's 5 of them. So which one of the first iteration of L is in this one, and then the second one? So that means, can I see it here? The okay, that makes sense then. So this is if line 1 is this is all the matches for the first element in D. If it's a 0 or if it's a 1, this is all the oops, Control Z. Yeah, perfect. This is all the second character, whatever. This is all the A's, all the B's, all the C's, all the 2's. Okay, all right, we're on track here. Okay, great. So let's go back up this thing up 3 times, and then Control Shift backspace, line bar, which is what slash slash bar, which is backspace forward space. V, which is 9 or something. Okay, good. What? I was gonna say it took a while to calculate, but it didn't. It just took a second. I don't know. Okay, so we have this. So now we know which. We don't want to swap. Actually, can I do this? No. Can I do backslash T, backslash T, backslash Shift T? Whoops, where did the R come from? No. Okay. I don't think I can deal with this. Just having to type over and over again the same thing. But anyway, I want I don't want the numbers. I don't want the numbers. I want the indices in which these appear. Right? I want to tell which indices in AB in line 1 are present here. I'm going to call this DD just to simplify our life here. Can I do this? Control C. I go here and I say DD. Okay. Okay. So if I do DD E1 line 1, this will be the same. Oh, okay. Well, easy, I guess. Because now from here, I just need to sum each one of these up. So instead of a slash once again, I do another E. Watch this. It's fold first. Fold. I don't think it matters. Fold. And instead of max, do max. No. Oh, wait, that was, does just literal V work? No, okay. Come on, where's 9? There, that's the same. Oh, okay, that's also the same thing. I don't want reduce. I want to have a fold. There we are. Easy. Okay. So what this is doing is it's saying for every element in this, run the reduce. I don't know the way the word. This is a thing. So now we have our numbers, and these I can replicate. Maybe is it just slash? No, it's I. You want to run that? Okay, it's nothing. I guess. Uh, if it's not these, what is it? If it's not replicate, and it's not I. Where? Oh, that's it. Okay, that's got to be it. Okay, where? There we are. Okay. And now we take the min and max. Actually. Okay, this is ringing a bell. Actually, this is not my own creation. I've seen this somewhere else now that I'm feeling it out loud. But anyway, min and max, because it's sorted, because the index is sorted. Min, is that what these were? Min and max? The V's and whatever? Lowest common denominator? No. Okay, I could probably just do max, actually. Oops. Oh, neat. I can just type that for commands. But it's missing all of them, actually. Great. My last command was this, just so I have it clear. Max. Maximum. Oh, the bar thing. Okay, cool. So I don't know the trains in APL here. Dyalog. Is it not exactly the same as BQN? Like if I say max, and then join comma, I guess, with minimum, D, and is this shifty? No, max, S and D, okay, smallest and largest, I don't know, okay, and I say 0, I 10, negative. Oh, okay, then I have to do a fold. Oh, come on, backspace fold, which is just a slash, just slash. Okay, there you go. So that's the maximum number and the minimum number. Great. So now I just have to get this in the right order. So I do smallest. Can't be right. Minimum, which is D. And this is S for largest. Great. Okay. So I copy and paste this. Is it? I'm sure I'm gonna have to assume I'm doing the D's there. Great. Okay. Now using these, I want to get this from line, and it's not index. And it's not replicate. What's the? And it's not select, right? Select doesn't pick 2-1. Yeah, this is 2-dimensional. I'll just have to pick each one. Okay, so here now I do this. We're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. Pick X. This line 1. Length error. Okay, then we simply enclose this. 12. Good. Now, how did I decode it? It's way gone in my history. It wasn't. It was it the fire hydrant? Like that was what we said could do. Oh, VFI, verify, whatever. Okay, so now quad VFI. Okay. No. Oh yes, 1 and 2. I was gonna say okay. We want the second one, which is select. No. Pick the first one, which is 12. Okay, and the shape of this is gonna be 1. It's better not be a nested array or whatever. Depth. Okay, I don't know for sure what depth is. So okay, now we have 12. Okay, that's a number, and I can +1 it. Right. Okay, we're good. We have a number. Can I make this a function somehow? I'm gonna call it iter because that's what you call every single function. W, I'm pretty sure, is the name of the function here. Iter. Okay. Iter. Are we programming? Are we programming? Yeah, we are. Okay. This doesn't tell me how to. Okay, good. Let's. Oh, how do I save? Okay. If I go here, can I? Is iter saved all of a sudden? Oh, all right. Is iter saved all of a sudden? It is not. Great. If I add iter and then hit this, is it saved here now? Refresh. No. Okay. Because link status is not set, right? No active links, despite that I have it already. If I do the link add link APL and I try to remember my thing here, it's code APL link APL. Does this work? No, not found. Okay. How about this? Not found, whatever. Okay. I'm just gonna we're gonna assume it's saved in the workspace or something somehow. I don't know. So iter here, ABC 1 2 22 is the answer we expect to see. Perfect. Okay. So iter works. That's fine. Sample. So let's go to the input code here. Can I paste in multi-line code? Input. Paste. Unpaired quote. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be a problem. Okay. That's great. Input. Doesn't exist. Shift enter. It will now, right? Okay. Save. You can't work. You can't work. Save. Can't fix that. We can't fix that a name. Yeah, input is supposed to be a name. That's fine, right? Can't fix object that a name despite name being the input. Again, don't know. Close. Close. No. Input is this. Great. Input is now 1, 2, 3. Add input. Oh, good. Now I'm pasting in code here. Save. Escape. Input. I'm assuming separators are what new lines are. It's got to be, right? Add input. No. Is there a way to split? What's ICS, right? ICS? ICS lowercase? Maybe if I just, or ISC or something? ICS? It's, what am I thinking of? I thought it was this. I don't want a new line. I don't know what I'm thinking of here. New line property. I just want to figure out read text. Okay. I don't know this. Is there gonna be a UCS thing here? Byte order mark? No. UCS, isn't that what I said? Oh, I said. Okay, okay. L UCS 10. That's a new line, presumably. This is 95 or something. Underscore that. Okay, good. We're partying now. Oh, well then no, that's bad because this is now. Where's the separator? Diamond backtick. UCS. What? Oh, because it's not the literal. Maybe. Yeah, that's a Unicode symbol. So on input, when we have our, how do I do this? 5 or whatever? Yes. Oh gosh, that's annoying. What is this? We have UCS, quad UCS. Undefined name UCS. Oh, because I lowercase quadded, uppercase quadded, or whatever. Yeah, this is the same as Unicode. So if I now add input, again, I the way Dyalog works is, or the editor here works, is very foreign to me, so I don't have a good understanding of what the principle is here. But maybe this will be fine. Hoping there's no typos. I notice there's no semicolon here. Save. Okay, now I hit Control Tab to go over. Input. That looks better, I guess. Input. The shape of input is 4 elements. Good. Good. Okay. So how about I do iter? I wonder if, oh, whatever, case sensitivity is input. DOM error. The first input, and then what's your shape? It's like a list or something. I want to merge it or something. Merge. I want to have it one less level deep or whatever. I want to remove nesting. Unnest. Merge. Flatten. Flatten. Ooh. Okay. How do you compose? Is it compose a top? Okay, good. Okay, so now if I do back to this guy, find it in my history. Iter. A, S. I saw it J. Okay, there. Uh, there we are. So for every one of these inputs, actually, is there? Hold on, before I go too deep on this, is there? Can I do help on this? Help this. Is there an alternative to this? See also? No. If I control C this and then search here and then do this. Is there C also? Okay. Diareses. But one of these is selfies. I think it's this one. So whatever. Let's just see. Each commute atop. No, none of these are. None of these are what I'm looking for. Oops. Okay, so not this. I'm gonna go here. Okay, so let me just validate that these are correct answers for samples. That looks good. Okay, now I have to. How? I I don't know how to copy and paste this all into the editor. Is if I figured out how to link, I could just paste it in the file. Okay, how about this? Here, I can just do day one, actually 2023, I think. Day one input txt, and hopefully Link doesn't complain too much when I do it. So here's this is here. Good. New lines. Okay, so now and get, right? Help and get. We saw this. And get y is the character vector scalar. Okay, good. So flags, character default. Okay, good. So I do quad and get C code APL link APL 2023 day one input txt unpaired quote. That's fine. Control E. Okay, that was a lot of lines. I think it's fine. Oh, that's just ride crapping out, I think, because okay, hold on, I'm waiting for it to catch up. Okay, there you go. Take your time, buddy. All right, good. And because I can't clear screen, it's working, I guess. So I have to wait. Do something over here. I'm gonna start typing to see if this thing SD or no XC. Waiting for this to update, I guess. 5,000. Okay, I'm gonna hit escape a bunch. Wait till it. Oh, can I go up here? No, the GUI is frozen. Come on. Still waiting, I think. Okay. Highlighting was just recently. Okay, so now I hit F, enter. We'll see what happens. Some sort of error, I presume. I'm one line off, so it knows something's happening. Okay, hit clicking and mashing escape. Let's see what happens. Mashing escape a few times. Oh, I saw something. Okay, so it must have caught up to some keyboard at some point. Again, I don't know how to clear screen, so it doesn't. I'm kind of stuck waiting. Still waiting. Is the UI responsive yet? Oh, it is. Okay. Clear all trace. That won't help, but let's do it just in case. There's no wrapping. Okay. Let me just assume that I'm working properly here. 1, 2. No, this is not responsive. Yeah, because what I think is happening is every time it updates, I think Ride is sending back all the output. If I clear, it'll be gone. This is a bummer. I wonder if I I don't know. I don't know how to resolve this. That's fine. I'll simply new session. I'm gonna pause recording maybe and waiting for this to resolve itself. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. It looks like I just have to create a link twice with the existing stuff, and my D once I change over exists. So now if I go here and I go back to D, this is now we're separated all quick. So now if I go 90, save it. D, 99, save it. Look at that, easy. I don't know how it messed up before, but I can't import input though, because input is a text file. So what if I Uh, input actually is quad and get. I don't know the local space, so I'll just have to do it all again. APL, code, APL, link APL, 2023, day one, input, txt. And even if it fails, it'll at least just silently fail. Okay, good. Did that work? Okay, input, 3 lines. Okay. I'm gonna print it out. Whatever. If it fails again, at least we have. Oh, come on. Okay, it's printing out. I don't know how it's calculating so much, but at least we have a fast way of getting back there if it happens. Okay, while it's loading, I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna see nget. What nget is the result? R is a character vector. This is the default. Character vector. No, I'm assuming it's default. Whatever default is. I'll go back. Are we still loading? Come on. All right. Actually, hold on. There's like a show session button. I remember show session, which must just be like the actual. Oh, there's a button somewhere. Show session. So show session. It's not no. Oh, it's in the corner. Actually, hold on. It's yeah. You can't see what I'm doing. I don't think, but show session. This should be the. It should open the IDE for what my actual ride is connected to, or something. Okay. Okay. I'm looking at it right now, but it's just printing out garbage, which is really weird. You'd think it would be okay with printing out stuff, but it's still working its way through what's going on, so it must be catching up. Window clear. No, window. Oh, it's still printing out. Oh, weak interrupt. Hold on. Hold on. Is that what I can do here? Hold on. Weak interrupt. Strong interrupt. No, it's still going. Okay, what about in dialogue here? Okay. Okay. So I do 1+1 in here. Do you get that over here? No, you don't. Okay. 1+1. Ride. Come on, buddy. Okay, you can't see it again? Actually, hold on. Maybe I can. Can I do this live? Can I edit ride scene? Can I add? Hold on. Ride. Instead of ride, I'll do dialogue. This is really interesting for you guys. 1 second. Window capture. We'll call it dialogue. Dialogue. And then we're going to window capture dialogue exe. Match the title. Okay, good. And then it's going to be Control R to reset the transform, but this is good. Okay, good. Okay, all right. I think we're on the same page here. Okay, so yeah, it's been interrupted, but I'm still waiting on this. This is done. This is done. Okay, caught up. Okay, good. But I trust this more to be editable or something. Okay, I clicked shift enter. That's not a good idea. Is it still printing off? It is. Okay, that's why it's going on. So even though I shift enter made the ride take over. Okay, it doesn't appear like you can see the ride editor when it's open. Because they're both open? I don't understand how this works for OBS. If I minimize... Oh, I understand what's going on. Okay, so I'm minimizing ride. Maybe. And now OBS is... I don't know. It doesn't matter. Trust me, that this is messing up. So, if I... There's space here. How come? I guess it's the amount of space. Okay, hold on. Maybe this is the problem where it's trying to simulate that there's more than one row or something, so it fakes it with this stuff. Maybe. So let me change this. Let me close this. Okay, good. And ride is working again, I guess. No, it's not. I can't deal with this this happening. Okay, let me close this off, new session. At least we can get back here quickly. New. No, delete. Unnamed session. Perfect. Closing the old ride here. I'm doing this live. Okay, now I can do Is my history? It's not. Okay. Link. Create. Link APL. Ideally, you detect this from the folder, but that's fine. C code APL. I'm getting fast at typing this too, which is nice. Okay, good. Now D's here. CS, right? Change link space. Link APL. Now D's here. Input is not here. Good. Now I think we're caught up. Okay, so now we're doing NGET. NGET, which again, I don't know how that works out to being a thing, but oh gosh, okay. C code, then foo. We'll call it input or something. C code APL link APL. Jeez, if I had it all in a file, I could just get there quickly. Input txt, and then not join, but separator. I think, right? 1 syntax error. That's fine. So how do I get two arrays together? Syntax error. But I don't want commas. I do want commas. So if I do A joined with B, this will be the same string. I don't want that. If I do A joined with 1, what does that look like? Okay, I guess it could just smart enough or something. Right argument should be a file name and optional flags. Correct. Okay, how do you give me an example, perhaps? Character vector or two item vector whose first item is a file name and second item is an integer scalar specifying the flag. If flags is 0 or 1 or whatever. Yes. Isn't this isn't the shape of this? It's 40. Okay, how about the shape of this? Config or something. Config. Great. I don't understand. Wait, I do understand. ABC 1. That's it. That's it. Okay, we're partying. And get, and then we don't even have spaces. We do like this. Invalid modified assignment or an attempt to made was. Can I delete? Okay, input 2, whatever. Wait, what is input 1? P and get. That's like a function, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what input is. But that's fine. Or is that what you use? Fix? I don't know. All right, the point is input 2 is a thing. Now the shape of input 2 is a 3-element list. Or whatever. Matrix. Input 2. What does it return? What did I ask for also? 1. A nested array of character vectors. I'm gonna risk typing it out. This is what I expected. Okay. So the first input 2 is the actual text. No, it's not. This is like some massive input. I assume it's 1,000 because maybe the input is 1,000. I don't know. And this doesn't save anywhere. If I go here and I go refresh, this doesn't refresh. Okay, so we can see this, right? If I'm here, no, you can't even see VS Code. That's frustrating, I guess. You can see it here, but then I go back here and then you're at somewhere else. Okay, so doesn't matter. Input. How do I split this line into input? What is there might be an easier way of doing this, but if it's the BQN thing, we're gonna do this. Okay, text is this text. Good. Now, oh, actually, input 2 This is the, and then, oh, come on. Input to's separator. Oh, that's the encoding. Oh, that's the text. Oh, it's back to index origin 1 again. That's why. Okay. I'm sure there's a setting somewhere. I didn't see it ever yet, but I'll find it. IO. Whatever, lowercase is fine. Probably. It is. Okay, good. Yes, and then 2 is 310. So I assume that means the separator is the new line and then a return or whatever. CRLF, right? Character return line feed. I don't know if that's. I thought it was 1013 instead of 1310, but all right, not gonna complain. So let's find. Let's just take the. Oh, what's take? Is this take? Mix, take. Okay, good. So I'm gonna take 100. Take. I should just read what I have there. Take of input 2. Okay. No. I just wanted the first X elements. Now I'm back to Frozen Town. Come on. Hey, okay, it worked though. At least it worked. Okay. Let's just go to 2 then. See what happens. It was still choppy, but it's not as bad. Okay. So it must be a word wrapping calculation. So instead of, what is the shape of input 2? It's a, oh, but now every time I type it, it's gonna chug forever. Okay, new session. I'm not letting this chug on me here. Play. Okay, and then close the old one. Actually, yeah. I'm which is, we don't need anything. So link create. No, we don't need this. We just need the end get, right? Right. Okay. And get C code APL link APL day 2023 day 1 input txt. Okay, and then we have this. This is called input. Okay, we assign this. Great. And I'm actually just going to say F it. We trust that. Oh, index origin 0. Okay, so I'm going to get 1. Is that how this works? Input? Okay, good. 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 So now, oh, but then our iter is gone. Maybe iter is in our, wait, what is, you can't see this. How come the, ride? Okay, there you go. Okay, that was, sorry about that. You had to just, oh, you missed something. You missed just me typing this instead. There's no linking here. Oh, it's still gone. It's still gone. What in the world? Uh, I don't understand why this is not working. You can see it when I'm focused. This is great. I'm professional. Let me just get rid of this scene switcher, and I will manually switch the scenes. Okay, so you should be able to see now. Ride, great, ride, excellent. And you can see here that I just started off with this. So this is what input is. We have index origin 1, so I need to change that from IO 0. Good. And again, there's probably a way to save that. So now I need to take here. If I do 5 take of ABC or 4 take of ABC, is that it has white space? I can't tell. Do 40 of this. There's white space. Okay. Is there a way to get white a fill of it or something? No. Input to input. Okay. Now if I do 10y input, this should be just 10 characters. No, it's not. The shape of input is nothing. It's a unit vector, presumably. Okay. This the fact that it gets slower is killer, man. I'll suck it up, and I'll probably never touch this again because this is rough. What is it now? If I do take 2 or something, I'll take 1 just to get. Okay. Length or something. Come on. And then how about your depth? Depth of input is 2. It's 3. Okay, good. And if I join this, will be 2, right? No, this will be 3. Come on, man. Is it at? Nope. Oh. Merge. Help. You can't see this. I'll. There you go. I'm looking for Ravel. Laminate. No, I just want to merge or whatever. Yes. But isn't that what I want? Input? I'm so afraid of doing this. That seems to make no difference. How about if I edit input? Is that going to kill me? No, that's... I'm not sure the significance of what this is actually showing me. And I take the first one. And I take the first one of this. That's enclosing it. This. I take the first one of this. Okay. 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 So, let me say input equals input. Great. Input. Now I can edit input. There we are. Huh. There is a new line character? Probably. I can't tell if that means there's a new line character. Okay, good. We're good. Okay. Now go on to iter on each of these, right? If I take the first... what's first? That is X, right? First? Perfect. First, input. It should be a line of characters. Great. And now we have to find iter. Iter will be in here somewhere if I keep going back enough, I think. Just living our dream here. Just going back. Quad. No, this I don't know if this is what we were talking about. Editor on. No, this is oh, that's also something I was looking for. I was looking for that thing earlier. Off screen, I think. So to add input. Now it's like a nice editor. I don't know. Okay, so iter is gone, but that's fine. We can just do it again. So line 1 equals. Oh, you were not looking at my code the whole time. Wonderful. Let me go back. Scene switcher. Turn it on. And then if you can't find ride scene. Ride scene is working. Yes. I'm trying to figure out what it is. It's curious that this is so challenging. I guess because that's fine. We're just fast forward. Ride scene. I'm gonna do ride. Add. Close. Now if I go here, now you're here. Okay, good. Okay. I don't understand how this automatic scene switcher works. You think I would have figured it out already? Go to scene, and you go to here, and then you go to... Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so we're here. What I was saying is editor on. I think this is the array editor, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the array annotation, which is new. Anyhow, input. Right, and I don't have access to my old iter functions, so I gotta rewrite them again, I guess. Because in my linked thing, which I'm not linked anymore, I didn't save iter. And because we're professionals here, we can do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, line 1. All right. So this is here. This is how we got distracted in the first place. ABC. We got here. Go line 1. Line 1. ABC. Okay, good. Line 1. We want to figure out, and we also have to make D. Right. That's why we had a link, but that's fine. So here, D is now 10 characters, and we want to format every one of them. Format's over here. Format each of them. But it's also, we also want to join them back in or something. Right? Or something like that? Okay, just show me what you got. I don't want to each them together. I want to join folder reduce. There you go. Okay, this is what D is. Already the input is lagging here. I guess because this is 7,000. That's all right. So this is D. So now we have look at the delay, man. E on line 1. We want to have each of these on line 1. Great. And then we want to have each of these maxes, which is not, yeah, D is S's or whatever. Right? Good. Good. And then, okay, here we are. We're already actually done this, I think. W, and then we want to get index or something. Shoot, what's this? These are the indices, and we want to select it for each of these. W, I think, right? Iter line 1. Not quite. Maybe it's just this. No. Can I do semicolon? I'm just trying to think here. I want to do this all in one line, so I don't have to type it over a million times. What does this give me? Yes. So doesn't this give me what I want? It does. Great. Now I have to VFI one it or something. VFI and then one select. And I can do +1 here or something? Or 1 plus. Yeah, good. All right, there you go. Easy. Okay. So iter is now this. So now I can do and I would love for syntax highlighting also. I think only it shows up when I edit the line. Yeah. And there's no way to to not make it editable after. Iter. So now I gotta go input. No. Input. Yeah, okay. Iter each input, right? Okay. And then plus some. That seems way too high. Yeah. Because no, I did day 1. Can I scroll back? Oh. How come that's 9? Oh, because okay, sure. Can I take the first input? Input? That's 22. No, but that let me test it out, I guess. Because I didn't take the min-max? I didn't do any of the min-max stuff. Okay, now this thing is the where or whatever, right? What is this? Hold on. I need to do where, and now I do the min max thing. So I do min is not M, it's B or something. Minimum D. Fold joined with the assist of this, which is 8. And now from here, I now take W. Oops. Is this? Come on, that's annoying. No. Okay. Now here, that's what all this is. And now I want to also pick enclosed each of iter. 22. Okay. Now again, if I do this line, domain error. Iter input. Input 1. And I'm afraid to actually go and edit this, but let's see what input is. Yeah, that looks right. I know part 2 is going to deal with these numbers, but for now this is fine. I might just do part 1 for today. Okay. So what is this? Yes, and then just summing this up is a problem? Is there... Could you tell me what about that is a problem? Can I do... Is it... if I do help plus, can you tell me what the domain error is? No, you can't. I assume plus, but can you tell me what the domain error is? Must be numeric. I assume that's the problem. What isn't numeric in this? How can I see the type of something? Do I have a way of seeing type? I if I search type of no system functions control F type no control F. Oh, am I in this? Control F type no object attribute maybe quad at1 2 it's a domain error. Okay, point vector the class of a number maybe class of 2 domain error. Canonical representation or the just is D. Data representation no actually maybe well, this will cause a problem, right? If I do quad dr, I don't know what that means. Type, okay, maybe this is what I want. Classic edition. I don't think I want classic edition. Bits, dr80 hk. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. 326. It's a pointer. To what? It's a pointer to what? I thought it... Okay. Data types. Okay, hold on. No. If I go back here, data type. Come on, type. Type. Why is that going over? Huh. That's a weird Chrome bug, probably. Data. Replace data on file. No. I appreciate that this is a pointer to some data, but let me contrast that with F quad dr F. You're still a pointer. Is it, what about scan? Scan? Nope, fuck. Scan tab plus scan F. Domain error. Is there a way I can trace this or something? And it'll be like, hey, pause on error. Nope. Okay. Trace. Edit. I just edit plus scan F. No. I don't want to edit the file. That's cool, you can just edit file names. What is the type of F or whatever? Or the shape of F? Everything's an array. Sure, it's 1,000 elements. Great. Uh, 1, 2, 3. Get F. Select F. Thanks, error. And closed. Good. Now I'm going to sum these up. Domain error. Okay. Depth F is 2. Shouldn't it be 1? Oh, that makes sense then, I guess. Okay, let me see. Maybe there's a way of matic. I'm using it as an operator. Maybe there's a way to not analyze reduce. I don't think. Yeah, I think it's like dyadic or not dyadic, depths or something. Whose subarrays in the are appropriate. If it happens to the last axis of x is implied. The result of f, some sort of character, implies the first axis of x. What are you talking about? R is an array formed by applying a function f between items of a vector on the kth or implied axis of y. For a typical vector y, the result in R is... Oh, right, because, man, you have index origin 0 or 1 or whatever. Okay, so the first element, f, so yeah, that makes sense to me. The shape of R, so, but yes. But that, okay, let me go back to this. Okay. Oh, come on. FF. FF. Shape of FF. It's 3 elements. Oh, come on. Depth of FF is depth FF 2. Right. So a plus scan of FF. Domain error. Plus scan of 1, 2, 3, 6. What is the shape of 1, 2, 3? What is the depth of 1, 2, 3? How do I get each of FFs? No, let's say on the first element. What if I get the comma of each element and do the depth here? Which I should check what it is. That's still wrong. Right? Isn't it? Okay. FF. Okay. Plus scan. Domain error. FF edit. Okay. And then F3 is 1, 2, 3. Okay, F3 edit. That's one row. And there's... Oh, okay. That'll be why. Is that because ed, iter? Is that because this doesn't parse them? One take of quad VFX. VFI? Tab? No, control tab. Okay. Iter. Input. Domain error. I have to find that line in my history here where it has the semicolon in it. Just going one by one here. All right. Is there a faster way of doing this? Like, can I do iter input and then each? Okay. Plus, that looks way better. Okay, there you go. Easy. Sorted it out. Wow. What a world. Okay, so now if I edit enter iter again, does it open up the same ed iter? Come on, you could at least guess what I was trying to do. Okay, so here, and then I have control M to format, to cover all the space. Great. Okay, good. Now I define my link create link APL. You can probably, I'm not gonna do anything else after this linking thing besides saving it, so don't worry if you're missing anything. Link APL. Okay. Good. Good. Now I want to CS link APL. Okay. Now iter doesn't exist because iter is here, right? Yeah. So, 1 ABC 2 12. Great. Now I want to copy. Actually, can I do this? Can I do iter equals iter? Does this work? No, no. Oh, okay. It's like a pointer now. But I want to ed iter. No. Can I do this? Copy this to here. Can I edit while the interpreter is busy? Freaking great. Okay, I'm gonna say, hey now iter, you're this. Join the club. Okay, iter. Can you do this now? You can't. Because ed iter is this. Can't reformat. Can't object. Okay, can't fix that object name. Fine. Okay, close, escape, iter. I don't know what delta means here. And I'm pretty sure it means delta. Delta delete, I guess, still. It's a self-reference. Okay. Iter. Iter 2 equals this. Iter 2, 1 ABC, BC, I guess. No. Come on, man. Is it because you want to be closed? No. I don't know what the length there is. Index error is origin 0. Well, a bit of a bummer ending, but thanks for watching. Hopefully this makes it out to you at some point. Bye.